Hi, I'm John Nemeth, Executive Director and CEO of your Scientific Research Society, Sigma Xi. My message at the start out is the hope that you'll renew your membership to your society. Some of you are young, beginning your career. Some of you are mid-career and busy, very busy. But it's time to begin to pull others forward and support those that have gone before, in addition to making sure that those around us appreciate the role that research plays in society and to the benefit of humanity. Those of you like me that are mature, we need to pay back because we've had a wonderful career and a gracious opportunity to impact young people, active career scientists, and to have a voice on the national stage relative to issues that are important to us all. So for these reasons, I really urge you to renew, to look at our value proposition and see the things that we're doing now. Again, hit that renew button.